It's a B flat. It's a C7. Back to F. Looking at this Billboard list of hits, and you'll know this one. Since my baby left me, I found a new place to dwell. Down at the end of Lonely Street, Heartbreak Hotel. You know, I get so lonely, baby. I get so lonely. I get so lonely, I get tired. Although it's always crowded, still can find some room. Where those broken-hearted lovers, they cry away their gloom. Oh, I get so lonely, baby. Get so lonely. Ooh, I get so lonely, I get tired. It's 1 4 1 2 3 1 3 1 3 4 1 4 1 4 up on that A flat, which bends up to A. C, B, B flat, and then an A flat, F. Hey, if your baby leaves you, you got a tale to tell. To take a walk down Lonely Street, F7, to Heartbreak Hotel. Get so lonely, baby. Get so lonely, baby. Get so lonely, I could die. Little blue improv. All right. Having fun with the blues again. You know, they were everywhere in 1956, obviously. Part of that rock and roll culture. And if you ever take a trip to Heartbreak Hotel, and I've been there once or twice, yeah, just take your guitar with you and make some noise, and maybe you won't be so lonely. This is Guitar Bobby. Peace.